Hi, I'm Rashmi and welcome to my show. Today we're going to do a Vinyasa flow sequence at the advanced level. If you've tried the beginner and intermediate workouts, then you should try this one as well. So we're going to start sitting on your mat. We're going to start with pranayam, alternate nostril breathing, just to focus and center yourself a little bit more, and then we'll start with the flow. So you can keep your left hand on your lap, either in chin mudra, keeping your index finger and your thumb lightly touching each other. 2 fingers of your right hand at the center of your forehead, thumb closing your right nostril. Let's inhale through your left, close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left. Inhale left, close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left. Inhale left, close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left. Inhale left, close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left. Inhale left, close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left. Once you exhale through your left, slowly drop your hand down, keep your eyes closed. Let's take another long deep breath in and slowly exhale. Keep your attention and your focus at the center of your forehead. Once again, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. One last time, take a long deep breath in and slowly exhale. You can slowly open your eyes. Okay, we'll start with coming onto your fours on your hands and knees. Place your palms under your shoulders, your knees under your hips. You're going to curl your toes in, keep your knees slightly off your mat. As you exhale, you're going to push your hips to the back. And as you inhale, you're going to come slightly forward. Continue to keep your knees bent. We'll keep doing that. So exhale, you sit back. Inhale, you push forward. Exhale, you sit back. Inhale, you push forward. Exhale, you sit back. Inhale, you push forward. Exhale, sitting back. Inhale, push forward. Exhale, push back. Inhale, forward. Remember to try to touch, go down all the way down onto your heels and then push forward. 2 more times. Exhale, push back. Inhale, forward. One last time. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Slowly get your knees down on your mat. And you'll move into the sideways cat stretch. As you exhale, tilt your head and your hip to the right. Inhale, come center. Exhale, head and your hip to your left. Inhale, center. Keep going. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. Keep going. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale, one last time. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale, come back to the center. Curl your toes in. Now lift up into the inverted V pose and stretch. And we're going to slowly do a few rounds of the Vinyasa flow, which is coming into a plank position, lifting up into a half push-up position, coming into Cobra. We'll practice that a few times and then we'll put it in between every asana practice. So as you exhale, push forward into plank, bending your elbows, going down towards your mat. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, push back. Keep going, coming down into plank. Push forward. Inhale up. Exhale, push back. Push forward and down. Inhale, up into Cobra. Exhale, lift back up. Do it a few more times. Push forward into plank. Bend your elbows. Half push up. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come into downward dog. Keep going. Push forward into plank. Going down towards your mat. Inhale up. Exhale, lift back up into the inverted V pose. Keep going. Plank, half push up. Inhale up. Exhale, push back. Come back into plank. Push down. Inhale up. Exhale, push back. Do it one last time. Push forward and down. Inhale up. Exhale, lift back up and stretch. Slowly get your knees back on the floor. Once again, coming into the sideways cat stretch. As you exhale, tilt your head and your hip to the side. Inhale, center. Head and your hip to the other side. Inhale, center. Keep going. To the side and center. The side and center. Two more times. To the side and center. One last time. To the side and to the center. Now from here, curl your toes in. Lift back up into the inverted V pose and stretch. You're going to get your left leg forward in between both your palms and walk your hands to the center. Now you're just going to walk your hands towards your right and towards your left. Just slightly warming up your hamstrings. Walking to your right and walking to your left. Now you slowly stay on your right side and get both your palms on either side of your right foot. Slowly raise both your hands up, joining your palms together above your head and stretch. We'll hold for 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. From here, get your right palm down on the floor. Raise your left palm up, coming into Parshva Konasana. Stay or hold and breathe for 3 counts again. 3, 2, 1. Slowly walk your hands back to the center and walk towards your left, getting both your palms on either side of your left foot. Raising both your hands up and hold for 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. Get your left palm on the floor on the inside of your left foot. Raising your right hand up and point it towards the left side and hold. 3, 2, 1. Slowly get your right hand down and come back into the inverted V pose and stretch. From here, push forward into plank. Bending your elbows, coming down into a half push-up position. Inhale, slowly coming up. Exhale, lift your body up into an inverted V and stretch. From here, you're going to slowly bend your knees and jump forward towards your palms. And slowly inhale, raise your hands up. Continue to keep your knees bent. Come into Utkatasana and we'll hold again and breathe. 3, 2, 1. Palms on the floor. Once you get your hands down on the floor, you're going to bend your right knee. You're going to raise your right foot off your mat. Slowly stretch it out. So you want to try and keep your knee as straight as possible. As you exhale, you're going to slowly bend both your knees, getting your right knee in towards your left. As you inhale, you're going to stretch it out. Once again, bend it, take it in and stretch it out. And in and out and in. 2 more. And in and out. One last time. In and out. Stay there, hold it and breathe. Get your right foot back down on your mat. Come back to the center. Walk your hands back towards your right side and slowly stretch in the inverted V pose. You're going to bend both your knees, jump forward towards your palms. Again, come up into Utkatasana, hold and stretch. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Slowly get your palms down on your mat and raise your left leg up, stretching your left leg as high as you can take it, keeping your knees locked. Slowly as you exhale, get your knees in and stretch it back. 2 and back. 3 and back. 4 and back. 5 and back. Stay there, hold it. Continue to keep both your knees locked and breathe. Slowly get your left leg back down. Walk your hands back to the center. Walk back towards your left foot. Come back into the inverted V pose and stretch. Push forward into a plank position, bending your elbows, going down towards your mat. Inhale, lifting up into the Bhujangasana or the upward dog pose. Lift back up into the inverted V pose and stretch. Breathe. Now slowly raise your right leg up. Try and stretch it up as high as you can take it. And slowly get your right knee in so that your knee is close to your chest. Stretch your right leg back up once again and bend your knee and take it in towards your chest. So you need to push your body forward, coming into an almost plank position. Once again, inhale, raise your leg up. Exhale, push forward. Inhale, lift your leg up. Exhale, push forward. 2 more times. Inhale, raise your leg up. Exhale, push forward. 1 last time. Inhale, raise your leg up. Exhale, push forward. Now from this position, you're going to just continue to keep your leg up, similar to what we did in the intermediate video. You're going to push forward, coming into a half push-up position. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, push back into inverted V, and then get your right leg down and hold it and stretch. Breathe. Breathe for 5 counts. 5. Keep trying to stretch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your body forward, coming into a plank position. Bend your elbows, going down into half push-up. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, push your body up into an inverted V and stretch. We'll do the same thing on your left side now. So you raise your left leg up as high as you can take it and push forward, coming into a plank position. We'll keep going. Inhale up. Exhale in. Inhale 2. Exhale in. Inhale 3. Exhale in. Inhale 4. Exhale in. 1 last time. Inhale 5. Exhale in. From here, your leg is stretched to the back. Push forward, coming into half push-up position. Inhale up. Exhale, push back up into inverted V. And then join your feet together and stretch. You'll stay here and hold for 5 counts and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly get your knees down on the mat. Sit back and relax in child's pose. You can keep your hands close to your body. Keep your fingers pointing to the back. Hold and breathe. Place your palms back on your mat, lift back up into the inverted V pose and stretch. Now slowly cross your right leg behind your left, raise your right hand up, stretch upwards, breathe. We'll hold for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your right hand down, come back to the center, stretch in the inverted V pose. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Cross your left leg behind your right, turn, Lift your left hand up, hold and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back into the inverted V pose. Push your hips forward. Come back into plank. Exhale. Come back into a half push-up position. Inhale up. Exhale. Lift your body up into the inverted V pose. Stretch. We're going to try to go back into the same position, but this time we'll try and complete the Chakrasana. So cross your right leg behind your left. Turn your body, lifting your hips up. And drop your right hand down on the floor. Drop your left hand down, hold it and breathe for 5 counts. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your left palm back down, right hand up, turn, come back into the inverted V pose and stretch. We'll hold this again for 5 counts and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back into plank, push forward. Coming into a half push-up position, inhale up, exhale, lift up into the inverted V pose and stretch. From here, we'll do the same thing on the other side. So you cross your left leg behind your right. You turn your body, raise your left hand up first and stretch. Slowly try to get your left hand down on your mat. Turn your right palm in, hold it and we'll breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your palm back center, turn. Come back into the inverted V pose and stretch. Push your hips to the back. Breathe. Slowly push forward. Come back into a plank position. Bending your elbows. Going down towards your mat. Inhale. Slowly lifting up. Exhale. Lift your body up into an inverted V and stretch. Now from here, you're going to slowly bend your knees. Jump forward towards your palms and sit down on your mat. Once you sit, you're going to raise both your hands up. Place your palms on the floor behind you. We'll come into Purvottasana. So you're going to slowly lift your hips up, drop your head to the back. We'll hold it for 3 counts. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Now look straight with your head. Lift your right leg up and hold. 3, 2, 1. Get your right leg down. Raise your left leg up and hold. 3, 2, 1. Get your leg down. From here, slowly sitting down on your mat, bend forward and try to stretch and hold. Breathe again for 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up, palms back on the floor, jump back into a plank position, hold it, breathe, bending your elbows, going down towards your mat. Inhale. Slowly lift up, exhale, lift your body up into an inverted V and stretch. Breathe. Now we're going to push forward, come back into a plank position and we're going to come into a sideways plank. So you're going to get your left elbow on the floor and you're going to slowly raise your right hand up. So you can keep your feet together, hold it, look up at the tips of your fingers, breathe. 3, 2, 1. Get your palm back down on your mat. Come back into a plank position. Lift back into the inverted V pose and stretch. From here, slowly push forward. Coming to a plank position. Bend your elbows. Coming into a half push-up position. Inhale. Slowly lift your head up. Lift your chest up. Exhale, lift your body up into an inverted V and stretch. You're going to come back into an elbow plank. I will show it to you on the other side so that you can see me clearly. But you can get your right elbow on the floor now. Turn your body, raise your left hand up, hold it and breathe. 3, 2, 1. Slowly get your palm back down. Come back into a plank position and push back into the inverted V pose and stretch. Continue to stay in this position while I change my angle. Push forward, coming into plank, bend your elbows. Going back into half push-up position. Inhale, lift up, look up. Exhale, push back into the inverted V pose and stretch. Okay, slowly from here, you're going to push back, coming into a plank position. But now you're also going to come back into side plank once again. So you get your left palm back on the floor, your left elbow on the floor. You keep your feet on top of each other. You raise your right hand up. And now you're going to try to raise your right leg up. And you're going to hold it for 5 counts. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your leg down. Get your palm back down. Come back into a plank position. Slowly bending your elbows. Coming back into half push-up. We'll hold this for 3 counts. Hold 3, 2, 1. Lift up. Exhale. Come back into the inverted V pose and stretch. Continue to hold this position. Breathe. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So this time, you get your right elbow on the floor. Turn your body. You raise your left hand up. Hold it and stretch. Breathe. Raise your left leg up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your left palm back down. Push back into the inverted V pose and stretch. Push forward, coming into a plank position, bending your elbows. Into half push-up, again holding for 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, push back up into the inverted V pose. Continue to stay and hold while I change my position. Bend your knees. Let's jump forward to the front. And now you're going to lie down on your mat. So, lying down on your mat, you're going to first raise your right leg up. Grab hold of your right big toe. Pull your right leg closer towards you, keeping your knees straight. Feel a good stretch on the back of your right leg as you inhale. So raise your head up, hold it, breathe. Exhale. Slowly get your leg down. Now open your right leg out to the right side, hold it. So you just want to ensure that you're feeling a good stretch on your inner thighs. You don't necessarily need to touch your foot down to the floor, but you need to keep your knees straight. Slowly raise your leg back up and let go of your leg, getting it down. We do the same thing on the other side. The reason I'm bending my knees and not keeping it straight is so that you feel your entire lower back down on your mat. So with your left leg, slowly raise your left leg up, keeping your knees straight. Grab hold of your foot. Slowly try to raise your head up. Stretch as much as you can, keeping your knees straight, feeling a good stretch on your hamstrings. Breathe. Slowly get your head down and open your leg out to the side. Once again, hold it and stretch for 3, 2, 1. Slowly raise your leg back up, stretch it out, and slowly get your leg down. Now from here, you're going to try to do a back roll. So you're going to take your legs to the back and try and roll on either one side or straight up. So slowly taking your legs to the back, come back into a plank position, bending your elbows, going down towards your mat, coming into half push-up. Inhale, raise your head up, raise your chest up. Exhale, lift your body up into an inverted V pose and stretch again. Breathe. Bending your knees, jump forward towards your mat and lie down on your mat. Okay, we're now going to come into the shoulder stand. If you don't know how to do it, please learn how to do it and you can watch the video. If you're those who know how to do it, if you have cervical issues, high blood pressure, if you have any spinal issues, please consult your doctor before you try it. So you're going to raise your legs up, lift your body up, hold the shoulder stand. We'll breathe. See if you're able to hold the shoulder stand without using your hands. If you are, you can just interlock your fingers and keep your hands down on your mat. From here, we'll slowly take your legs down to the back, coming into Halasana or the plow pose. Continue to hold it. Slowly trying to lift your legs back up into the shoulder stand and take your legs back down into Halasana. We'll do that a few more times. Inhale, lift your legs up. Exhale, slowly dropping down. Inhale, slowly lifting up. Exhale, slowly drop down. Inhale, slowly lifting up. Exhale, going down. One last time. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, drop down. Stay there and hold it. Breathe. You want to ensure that your knees are straight. You're not turning your head to any side. Continue to hold. Now try to slowly bend your knees, coming into Karna Pidasana. You're trying to get your knees close to your ears. Hold it. Breathe. Slowly raise your legs back up, coming back into the shoulder stand. You can support yourself on your back. We're going to slowly drop one leg down at a time and try and come into the bridge pose. So drop one leg down, slowly drop your other leg down, hold it and breathe. And from here, we lift back up into the shoulder stand. One leg up at a time. Slowly start rolling down on your mat. Very, very slowly, very, very gently. Get your legs down and relax. So you can just lengthen your spine, stretch your legs out. I have lots of sun shining on my face, lots of natural light on my face. My face is going to take in a lot of vitamin D. I hope you will too. If not by watching my video, hopefully you'll be out and about soon, if not right now. So we're just going to lie down, close your eyes, and we're going to relax for a few minutes. You'll now hear a guided relaxation. So you can continue to keep your eyes closed, keep your palms open to the sky or the ceiling. You can close your eyes and relax. Let's start lying down. You can lie down on your yoga mat or on your bed, wherever you feel comfortable. Ensure that your palms are facing upwards and your legs a little bit more than hip distance apart. And you can close your eyes. Let's take a long deep breath in and slowly exhale. Once again, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale and relax.
Start visualizing yourself lying down on the sand very close to the shore of a beach. You can feel the cool sand against your body, carrying the weight of your entire body, taking the shape of your body. Let's take another long, deep breath in and rest and relax. Now start visualizing yourself walking towards the water. You feel the cool water brush against your feet. You walk in a little deeper and feel the water against your knees. Going in further, feeling the water up to your waist. Your entire lower body is submerged in the cool water. Let the water carry the weight of your legs. Once again, take a long, deep breath in and slowly exhale. Visualize yourself walking in with your abdomen submerged. Going in deeper with your chest submerged in the water. And going in deeper, submerging your shoulders and your hands. Your entire body, except for your head, is submerged in the water. Let the water carry the weight of your body and let go of any tension that you're holding on to, any stress that you're carrying. Take another long, deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now visualizing yourself with your head submerged in the water. Your entire body is now just floating and going wherever the water takes you, wherever the water carries you, letting go of control. Letting go of any doership. Letting go of any responsibilities. Letting go of all the weight of your body. Visualize yourself breathing, floating, and just being inside the water. Let's take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Relax your entire body and relax your mind. Let the flow of the water guide you. Let go and relax. Let's take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Start visualizing yourself slowly swimming out of this water. With your head coming out of the water, breathing in the fresh air. Your hands, your shoulders, your chest coming out of the water. Your abdomen coming out. Your hips, your thighs, your knees. Slowly walking out, back onto the sand. Feeling the last bits of the water on your feet. And visualizing yourself lying down on the sand once again. Take another long, deep breath in and slowly exhale. Whenever you feel ready and complete, rested and relaxed, you can slowly turn to your right side and sit up. Once again, take a long deep breath in and slowly exhale. And very slowly and gradually, whenever you feel ready and complete, you may open your eyes. Thank you for tuning in to this guided visualization. I hope this process left you feeling calm and relaxed.